Alright, my people, so right now, this is a room we're done. Yeah, so, as me say, things we have to move. So, right now, the only thing we have left to drop in at this is then couple tiles. So, we are going to move that and put it somewhere else that we can drop in then couple tiles. Yeah, so this basically done. Yeah, we are going through the passage. So, this is how we do. So we have this join back right here, so this is our catch back right here, so yeah. So up the line. So yes, so we're going at the bedroom there. We're going to drop in this a piece of join up to catch back that. Yeah, so over the right here now. So as you can see, we drop out in a couple tiles, so we're in another bedroom here. Yeah. So this is how we do so far. So we want to finish the bedroom here. That's everything can come out of it now, out of the next one. Yeah. So see if I can knock out the bedroom in the evening. Yeah, so once we get out this, you know, we have the next one where I have to go empty out the morning. Yeah, so that's the thing with the work, you know. We have to move from one place to another. Yeah, but one of the things we want right now is finish the bedroom, yeah. Catch with the passenger. Yeah, more cover as much as I can cover in the passenger in the evening. Yes, if I can get out the passage, that would be good. You know? Yeah. So, as I say, I'm going to try to get out the bedroom and then come out here, so. You know, so nobody can walk from here, so still, but yeah, I'm going to come up the line and see when I can get out. So, yeah. Try and knock out the bedroom, as I say. Yeah, so once I can clear up the bedroom, I know it's no good. Yeah. As I said, the next step is to tackle the passage. Try and get this passage out of the way. We have the kitchen if you do, but I don't think we're going to reach to it right now. So as I said, the main focus now, we have to just finish in here, so. Yeah, this is how we do.
Alright, see boss at work. Yeah man, the boss at work.
So alright my people, so this morning, tackle the room I was done yesterday. Yeah. So we had some growth in the morning, yeah. Yeah, I say I took that. So we had to run some growth in, so if we get the room a growth out. You know, that's we can move over some things in it. Yeah. So that will basically depend, you know. So we have one more room to do an idea. So we have to get the things out of that one in this one. So, you know, as soon as we done with this, you know, we can move over some things. Yeah, so I'll go and grow out the room. Yeah. Just so we can pack some things in it. Yeah, then we have the passage now we finish. Yeah. So basically I have a couple tiles in the passage left. Yeah. So I want to catch them couple tiles. So we are going to go in at the room there now. So you know we have to line up now, so I want to see if we can drop out the doorway there, so that's we can go in. Yeah. So as I say we have this now, we have to finish up. Yeah, so done with the passage. Yeah. So as I say we are going to do some grouting. Yeah, so we say if we get the room growth up, that's we can, you know, get some things back in it. Yeah, so basically that's what happened right now. We'll try get this growth up. So alright my people, so as you can see we put on some baseboard. Yeah, so yeah, so baseboard a front room. So we have another passage now. We're going to start move out here. We're going to start move out. So anything can go in this. So.
Wow, careful.
Mm-hmm. So as I say, we have a passage now if we go deal with. So we are going to know. We're going to go in the bedroom, yeah? Yeah. So we're going to take out the things out of it now. So yeah, this is bedroom is complete already. Grow it up and we pack up back things. So this is how we situate now. So this is the bedroom we will just grow it up. So we're going to pack things in it now. That's so we can get the next bedroom. Yes, my people, so remember to like, share and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about the job them. Yeah. Reason with me down in the comment section. Yeah. Like, share and subscribe, you know. It not take nothing for subscribe. Free of course. I like the video free of course. Yeah. So as I say, we're done with that bedroom now. So we're going to pack up things tonight and now that's we can get our next bedroom to deal with. Yes, my people, so yeah, as you can see the work, you know. Yeah, one tile joint then nice and straight. Yeah, some love to see the tile, you know, good tile, you know. So, as I say, focus on in our passage now. Take out everything what we can take out our bedroom and you know, try to catch back this, finish with the passage. See if we can done up the bedroom. you know. Yeah, so this are the focus right now. Yeah. So down the line there as you see.
What type of
Yeah, so we'll drop in them tile here now. So yeah. You know where I got my people. So alright my people, so I'm gonna go there now. We'll clear out the room here. So I'm gonna start the room here now. One thing with the floor, it gone way up in the ear. Yeah, that floor I turn right up in the ear. So you can see how the floor turn. And then we'll work with this out here so. Floor them kinda bad still. But you know, yeah, so I'm gonna go to drop in them tile, try line up. Yeah. So I'm gonna change this now. Go in here so. Yeah, so as I say, I'm gonna tackle the room right now. Yeah, see how I can do with it. So I still have the passage so now when I have to knock out same way. For you know, I still like a stage by stage. So yeah, take time go along, you know. So as I say, I'm gonna tackle the room here now. Yeah, so that I'm gonna do now my people. Yeah, so start the room. Going on just a couple of people time now this is happening. Yeah. So as you can see, almost done. Yeah. But I throw time against me. I want to say when I start, I not even could I start no video. Yeah, so as you can see, yes and no. Yeah. Drop in them tile. So that should just catch back this one. You know. Drop in them, yeah. Catch out. Then look apart there. Them two doorway there so. You know. So yeah, we take time to go on.
You call me?
So as I say, I just have them couple tile
Yeah?
for work on. Yeah. So I work my way come out here so right now. Yeah, so as I say the room almost done. Yeah. Alright my people, so right now the room done. Yeah. So yeah, as you can see, it's just a growth up here now. Yeah, so every tile drop in. Yeah, so what I'm doing right now is try to close off the passage here so. Yeah, so up here so close off already, growth up and everything like that. Yeah. So all of the room them done now. So as I say, I'm gonna try to do now is close off here so. Drop in a couple tile there. Yeah. I have two doorway now for sort out. Yeah, so as I say everything done in here so. Yeah, as you can see, nice and sweet. Yeah. Nice little flow in a tile. Yeah, so basically everything done up here now. You know, may have some base coat we put on the living area. So that angle the thing we kinda. Yeah, but basically, as I say, just them couple tile have to drop in here so now. And good. Yeah. Just finish with the passage. Catch back then the two doorway there, so. Yeah. So, yeah, that's on target. Yeah, man.